I'm Gugu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you on a walk around Paris, France. Get close to the famous Center Georges Pompidou, Notre-Dame Cathedral, writing statue of Henri IV, and Pont Notre-Dame over the Seine, and Pont Neuf. If you like to travel the world, then follow me. Remember to click subscribe. That way you won't miss the highlights of every episode. First, we come to Pont Neuf. Despite the word "new" in its name, its history dates back more than 2,000 years. It is considered the first bridge in Paris. It connects the Paris City Hall to the residential area on the other side of the Seine River. It's the main road in Paris. Its construction began in 1578. It was ordered by King Henri III of France. After 60 years, it was completed in 1607 during the reign of Henri IV. Next, we walk to the writing statue of Henri IV. Along the way, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery of the Seine River. The statue stands on the new bridge. It commemorates Henri IV, the founder of the House of Bourbon. He ended the wars of religion that had plagued France for years and rebuilt the country from the ashes. So he is loved by the people. The statue is not only a memorial to the wise monarch, it is also an important symbol of Paris history. Next, we came to the Pont Notre-Dame Bridge. It is one of the oldest bridges in Paris, which is located near Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris. The Pont au Change can be seen in the distance. It bears witness to the rise of money exchange in the 12th century. Originally, the Notre-Dame Bridge housed 68 elegant houses, so it's called the King's Bridge. The bridge is 106 meters long. Located on the northbound extension of the bridge, it connects the island of the West to the right bank of the Seine. It was rebuilt many times. The main body of the bridge we see now is from 1914. The bridge's 5 arches were reduced to 3. The largest metal arch in the middle is 60 meters long. Then we walk to the neighborhood of Notre-Dame Cathedral. It was the first Gothic building in Paris. With its towering, magnificent architectural style, it became a milestone in the history of European architecture. However, in 2019, a sudden fire caused unprecedented damage to Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris. China and France reached a cooperation agreement in 2019 to work together on the restoration of Notre-Dame Cathedral. It is scheduled to reopen to religious activities and the public on December 8, 2024. Then we arrived at the Centre Georges Pompidou. This is a modern art museum in the fourth arrondissement of Paris. It was proposed by French President Georges Pompidou to commemorate President de Gaulle's service in World War II. The building was designed by Renzo Piano from Italy and Richard Brothers from the UK. It was completed in 1977. It is not only one of the most important museums in Paris, but also the only one in the world. A museum with a comprehensive introduction to all modern art creations from the 20th century to the present. Finally, let's walk through Paris. Immerse yourself in the city's natural and cultural beauty. I hope this video inspires you to explore. Come and experience the romantic atmosphere.
So, und jetzt Stopp.
没有红吧？哎，他们这他们。 故宫。嗯，在这里不可以好吗？我后面有。
Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to click subscribe, that way you won't miss the highlights of every episode. You can also exchange discussions in the comments section. I'll bring you more videos. I'm a Gugu. See you next time.